Let's get into this DIY nail slave. We're going to use the Kiss manicure set. You're going to need a pair of clippers. And of course, we're using the Kiss VitaBond nail glue. It's great. It has the vitamins A and E in it. Great for your nails. It's a tight bond, a quick bond. It comes in several different types of nail glue. And we also have the BTArtbox false nails from Amazon, 500 pieces, 10 different sizes. It's from Amazon. Get yours. This is the box of stones. I have several different sizes of little round stones. You know, you can do your designs and things like that. I've already pre-painted the nails. It's black. We're using the whites and a mermaid color, as you can see from the nails. I have my pencil and my tweezers. And right here, this is a box of 12 stones. They're different shapes and sizes, your diamonds, your flowers, your teardrops, things like that. We're going to use that as well. I mean, it is your preference on how you want to design your nails. Look at that. So over here, we have the metallic flames. They come on sheets. They're very cute. You can get that from Amazon too. With your nails, I would suggest that you roll out a piece of tape, stick it on there, choose your size, you know, and paint them fully, whatever colors you decide to paint it. And there you have it. Now, my pencil, that's to pick up the stones, FYI. The tweezers are for the flames over here to take them off the sheet. And you'll see that. Gonna take the black nails because this is the one we're gonna put the flames on. We're gonna put the clear coat on top. I mean, sometimes I put like one or two coats at the most, because we want it to be wet. You're going to take your metallic flame sheets. I don't know if you could really see those little flames, but it's on the sheets, and pick which size you want because there's several different sizes on there. And we're going to lift it up with the tweezers. And as you're lifting, be very careful because this metallic sheet, it tears very easily. You will pull off or ruin the flame that you're pulling off. So after you pull it off, make sure you have it tight in the tweezers. I know you can't see it because it's out of focus, but I'm going to bring it down so you can see, but have it tight in the tweezers. And decide exactly where you want to put it, because trust me, you drop it on there, it's stuck on there because of course the polish is wet. So you want to place it where you want it to be and let it go. Make sure it's stuck down on there and press it in place on top of the sticker, not on the nail because it's polished. Pressing it down some. You can't really see this dog on camera is out of focus. But I'm pressing down on the flame so it'll stick, you know, to the nail with the polish on it. Make sure it's in the right place. Put another coat of polish on top, because we're going to get here, and this is where you stick your stones on there if you want the stones on there. But I am going to put a couple of stones on here, and at first you'll see me putting, I think I put 4 on there, but I actually changed the design, which you will see later on. But I take it, I put 4 stones on it going across, and that little marker, it does very well. It works great. It helps you just, you know, you just dig down in the box and a stone is going to come up attached to it. So that's also a plus. And there we go, the fourth stone. Make sure they're straight, because as you can see, I put it on a little crooked, so I have to straighten it up and press it down with the marker, not on the polish, on top of the stone. And there you go. So right here we're using the white polish because of course I finished all the black nails and I've done one of the mermaids, so I'm going to do this mermaid with the other shapes. As you can see from the one on the end, we're going to put a coat of polish on there. Well, I put 2 coats of polish on it, the clear polish, 2 coats. I'm coating it well, and I'm going to take and pick up the stone. Now, bear with me because I'm using the left hand. I'm not a left hand person. Trying to catch this stone out of this box. This is ridiculous. Okay, but I've got it. So let me go ahead and switch on over to my right hand. There you go. We're going to place the stone where you want it. It's a circle. Once again, the freaking camera is out of focus. And I'm going to take my handy marker and add some more little tiny stones to there at the bottom. And we're going to take and I'm going to put 3 at the top to make sure they're centered in a straight line. There's 2. And that's 3. And I'm going to take a different size stone to go around the little teardrop, which will be 4 stones around the teardrop. But I go from side to side to make sure they're setting on there evenly. And you can do some great designs with these stones. So there we go. That's 4 on that side. And 3 more to go. I wish this camera would have focused, but you will see the completed design towards the end. I promise you will. This camera's working on my nerves. So that's complete. That's the last stone. That is complete. On to the next step. Make sure they're secure. We're at the finish line. We're using the Kiss VitaBond nail glue. Like I stated, this is a quick bond. I put them on already. I left the thumb off to show you because, okay, I mean, it's self-explanatory. Everyone knows how to do this, but you take and you put a good amount inside of the false nails, mainly like the length of your own nail, coat it really well. And then you're going to take that same and put a thin coat on your regular nail so it will be a tight hold. It glues in seconds. And stick it on your nail like halfway. Like, oh my goodness, I don't think I should have put on my other thumb. But we're going to do this. And press it down. I usually count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lift my finger. Boom. There you have it. It's there. Let's push it. It's not coming off. Push it again. It's not popping off. So how cool is that? How beautiful are these coffin nails? Thanks for watching. Leave me any comments. Bye, everyone. There they are. How beautiful is this? I actually pre-designed and made these for a nail party that I hosted Saturday, and I wanted to share it with you to show you how it was done. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to you. The DIY nail you can do at home.